In this video, we're talking about using those portable garden seats as mechanical seats for working on motorcycles or cars in a gravel driveway, and whether they really hold up better than an old upside-down bucket. So here's the deal. If you're working on your bike or doing suspension work on a car or truck outside on gravel, a garden seat can be a game changer compared to squatting or sitting on a bucket. These seats usually have wheels that roll pretty well on grass, concrete, and even sandy dirt, so gravel shouldn't be too big of a problem. Just keep in mind that since most of these seats don't have swivel wheels, moving around while sitting on them can get tricky, especially if you need to change direction often. If you're mostly staying in one spot or only shifting a little bit, it's no big deal. Adding a cushioned lid to your bucket is another option if you want some comfort without buying a new seat. Plenty of plant technicians swear by that trick. Honestly, these seats are way better for brake jobs or anything where you're low to the ground because they save your knees and back from strain. Plus, they're portable and easy to move around your work area so you're not stuck in one spot. One of the biggest mistakes people make when using garden seats as mechanical seats is expecting them to roll smoothly on all surfaces without issue. Gravel can be uneven and cause those fixed wheels to get stuck or make turning a pain. To fix that, try to keep your work area as level as possible or limit how much you move the seat around while sitting on it. Another common issue is not paying attention to the seat's weight capacity. If you pile tools or parts on top, it might wobble or even tip over, so keep your gear light or use a separate tray. Lastly, some folks forget to check the seat height before starting their work. Make sure it's comfortable so you don't end up hunched over and risking injury. Adjusting the seat height and picking one with decent padding can really make long jobs way easier. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to hire for your repairs or upgrades. And if you're a contractor looking for work, they make it super easy to connect with people needing your skills, which means more gigs without the hassle of endless searching.